Hello everyone, it's Boom again, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to book your flights using Southwest points. I'm also going to show you how to add your companion if you have the Southwest Companion Pass. To get this done, you will need a Southwest Rapid Rewards account, or you will need to transfer points from Chase Ultimate Rewards. Whenever we don't fly American Airlines, usually we fly Southwest because we do have the Companion Pass, and we qualified for that in January of this year. And whenever you qualify for a Southwest Companion Pass, it's good for the current year until the following year. So we have it for the next 2 years. So for anybody who's familiar with the points world, Southwest normally has a value of about 1.1 to 1.7 CPP. Whenever you have a companion pass, you double that. So that means about 2.2 to about 3.4 CPP, which is in the points world is very, very valuable. To put it in simpler terms, the value of your points is more than the value in cash. Between the original 1.1 CPP, which means cents per point, to 1.7 cents per point if you're only by yourself, to 2.2 to 3.4. That's a whole lot of value, and that means you can use your points for more things and more flights. Now that I've explained that to you a little bit, let me show you how to do it, and let me also show you how to book your companion on that same flight. And you're gonna get on their landing page, which is gonna look like this, and then you search for the flight that you want. So I need to get to Seattle on June 28th for an Alaskan cruise. So I want to show the fares in points because I don't want to pay cash for it. So you search. Okay, now we have it up. So I already have this flight booked, but I was looking and I found that there was a cheaper option, and I get to try going to the Phoenix airport. I haven't been to the Phoenix airport in a while, and I really wanted to try the Chase Sapphire Lounge there. So I wanted to check that out, and so a 4-hour layover doesn't sound too bad, just to try and check a lounge out. Maybe it is, I don't know. I might regret it later, but we'll see. So this is the flight that I want. You can pick whichever tier you want. I just have the Southwest credit card, so I have some benefits. I'm sure I'm never gonna cancel this. So I just wanna pick the basic one. So, okay, I'll just click continue. Just wanting to make sure that these are the correct details. Click continue. Now it's going to ask for your details, and then you continue to payment. Make sure that's all correct. I have a few flight credits left, and again, I hate paying real money, so I'm going to put information from my old flight credits. More cents. Fun. Now you're gonna put your billing information if you put your credit card, obviously. Now you're just gonna hit purchase. So now that you have booked your flight, you would want to add your companion. So you just click back on your trips, and it's going to pop up a list of all your flights coming up. So you're going to click on it, and then you're going to have an option to add your companion. So you hit add companion. Now it's saying here who I'm booking for, and pretty much just asking, hey, pay the taxes and fees. So since I've already have the information of my companion, it just automatically pops up, unless you want to change it. You can only change it 3 times in a year, by the way, so you be careful in doing that. And after you have all that information, you just continue to payment. Now it's on the payment section. And again, I still have flight credits, so I'm gonna use flight credits again. Let me put that. So you've paid your $5.60 of taxes and fees. So if you notice, that was $11.20 for, last minute flight going to Seattle in not even 2 weeks. And that's it. You have booked your companion with your companion pass as well. So you spent $11.20 on a flight, on a one-way flight. It's not bad. So now I'm actually quite curious how much money I saved using this. So I'm just gonna search how much it would have cost to book it for 2 people. Let's see. This was the one that I picked. So it would have cost $456.36. I honestly didn't even spend money on the taxes and fees, because the taxes and fees were from previous vouchers because of like delayed flights and stuff. So I really didn't pay for anything, actually. I'm just realizing it. So I'm very happy about it. That is it, you guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Until the next video. See ya!